Question number 1. What is the normal duration of the first stage of labor for a female gravida? The correct answer is D, 14 up to 20 hours. Question number 2. Which hormone is primarily responsible for milk letdown? The correct answer is C, oxytocin. Question number 3. Which is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? The correct answer is C, fallopian tube. Question number 4. What is the ideal time for performing an episiotomy? The correct answer is D, late second stage. Question number 5. What is the normal fetal heart rate? The correct answer is C, 120 up to 160 bpm. Question number 6. Which presentation is most common during labor? The correct answer is C, cephalic. Question number 7. Which hormone maintains pregnancy? The correct answer is D, progesterone. Question number 8. Which is a sign of true labor? The correct answer is D, progressive cervical effacement. Question number 9. What is the term for the first fetal moment felt by mother? The correct answer is B, quickening. Question number 10. Which condition is an indication for cesarean section? The correct answer is B, transverse lie. Question number 11. Which is the safest contraceptive for lactating mothers? The correct answer is D, progestin only pills. Question number 12. What is lochia? The correct answer is B, vaginal discharge after delivery. Question number 13. Which is the normal duration of puerperium? The correct answer is D, 6 weeks. Question number 14. What is the first sign of puberty in girls? The correct answer is B, breast development. Question number 15. Which is the most common site for cervical cancer? The correct answer is C, transformation zone. Question number 16. What is the normal blood loss during vaginal delivery? The correct answer is C, 300 up to 500 milliliter. Question number 17. What is the leading cause of maternal mortality worldwide? The correct answer is C, hemorrhage. Question number 18. Which hormone stimulates ovulation? The correct answer is B, LH. Question number 19. What is the most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage? The correct answer is C. Uterine atony. Question number 20. When is Apgar score assessed? The correct answer is B. 1 and 5 minutes after birth. Question number 21. What is the average length of the umbilical cord? The correct answer is B. 50 centimeter. Question number 22. What is the usual site for episiotomy? The correct answer is C. Mediolateral. Question number 23. Which infection can cause blindness in newborns if untreated? The correct answer is A. Gonorrhea. Question number 24. What is the recommended position for a mother during the second stage of labor? The correct answer is B. Lithotomy. Question number 25. What is the term for absence of menstruation? The correct answer is A. Amenorrhea. Question number 26. What is the purpose of Leopold's maneuvers? The correct answer is B. To assess fetal position. Question number 27. Which is a common sign of preeclampsia? The correct answer is B. Proteinura. Question number 28. What is the normal duration of the second stage of labor in Frame gravida? The correct answer is C. 1 up to 2 hours. Question number 29. What is Chadwick sign? The correct answer is A. Bluish cervix. Question number 30. What is the pH of vaginal secretion? The correct answer is C. Acidic. Question number 31. Which hormone triggers menstruation if pregnancy does not occur? The correct answer is C. Progesterone drops. Question number 32. Which is the best time to detect fetal heartbeat by Doppler? The correct answer is C. 12 weeks. Question number 33. Which position is best for cord prolapse? The correct answer is C. Knee chest. Question number 34. Which method is used for cervical cancer screening? The correct answer is B. Pap smear. Question number 35. What is the main cause of infertility in females? The correct answer is A. Tubal blockage. Question number 36. What is the lifespan of an ovum? The correct answer is B. 12 up to 24 hours. Question number 37. Which is the most common tumor in females' reproductive age? The correct answer is A. Fibroid uterus. Question number 38. Which hormone causes breast milk production? The correct answer is C. Prolactin. Question number 39. When does implantation occur after fertilization? The correct answer is C. 6 up to 7 days. Question number 40. Which sign indicates fetal well-being and pregnancy? The correct answer is D. Fetal heartbeat. Question number 41. What is the expected weight gain during pregnancy? The correct answer is D. 11 up to 13 kg. Question number 42. Which is the hormone of pregnancy test? The correct answer is C. HCG. Question number 43. Which is the main cause of maternal sepsis? The correct answer is B. Unsafe abortion. Question number 44. What is the shape of a normal female pelvis? The correct answer is D. Gynocoid. Question number 45. What is the normal duration of third stage of labor? The correct answer is B. 5 up to 15 minutes. Question number 46. Which vitamin prevents neural tube defects? The correct answer is C. Folic acid. Folic acid. Question number 47. What is the name of abnormal opening between vagina and bladder? The correct answer is A. Fistula. Question number 48. Which is a common sign of menopause? The correct answer is B. Hot flashes. Question number 49. Which is a common cause of preterm labor? The correct answer is A. Twin pregnancy. Question number 50. What is the normal site of fertilization? The correct answer is C. Ampulla of fallopian tube. Question number 51. Which sign confirms pregnancy? The correct answer is D. Fetal heartbeat. Question number 52. What is the safest method of permanent female sterilization? The correct answer is B. Tubotomy. Question number 53. Which is an absolute contraindication for forceps delivery? The correct answer is B. Breech presentation. Question number 54. Which is the most common symptom of fibroid uterus? The correct answer is C. Heavy bleeding. Question number 55. What is the full form of PPH? The correct answer is B. Postpartum hemorrhage. Question number 56. Which test detects rupture of membranes? The correct answer is B. Fawn test. Question number 57. Which is an early sign of cervical cancer? The correct answer is C. Vaginal bleeding after sex. Question number 58. Which is the ideal contraceptive for a newly delivered mother? The correct answer is D. Progestin only fell. Question number 59. What is the average length of menstrual cycle? The correct answer is B. 28 days. Question number 60. Which is done for infertility due to tubal cause? The correct answer is C. Hysterosalpingography. Question number 61. Which sign indicates fetal death in utero? The correct answer is B. No fetal movement. Question number 62. What is the average duration of menstruation? The correct answer is B. 3 up to 5 days. Question number 63. Which hormone dominates in the follicular phase? The correct answer is B. Estrogen. Question number 64. What is the main function of Bartholin glands? The correct answer is B. Lubrication. Question number 65. Which is the most common cause of maternal anemia? The correct answer is C. Iron deficiency. Question number 66. What is the color of Leucia cirrhosa? The correct answer is B. Pinkish brown. Question number 67. Which position is best to prevent supine hypertension and pregnancy? The correct answer is C. Left lateral. Question number 68. What is the most common presentation of twins? The correct answer is C. Both cephalic. Question number 69. Which drug is given to prevent eclampsia? The correct answer is C. Magnesium sulfate. Question number 70. Which is the normal shape of the uterus? The correct answer is B. Fair shaped. Question number 71. Which is the most common cause of abortion in first trimester? The correct answer is B. Chromosomal abnormality. Question number 72. Which is a mechanical method of contraception? The correct answer is A. Condom. Question number 73. Which is a sign of ovulation? The correct answer is B. Rise in basal temperature. Question number 74. Which is the term for painful menstruation? The correct answer is C. Dysmenorrhea. Question number 75. What is the term for excessive bleeding during menstruation? The correct answer is C. Menorrhagia. Question number 76. Which hormone thickens the endometrium? The correct answer is C. Estrogen. Question number 77. Which hormone maintains corpus luteum? The correct answer is C. HCG. Question number 78. Which is an indication for medical termination of pregnancy? The correct answer is B. Ectopic pregnancy. Question number 79. What is the main cause of infertility in males? The correct answer is A. Oligospermia. Question number 80. What is the size of the mature graphene follicle? The correct answer is D. 20 up to 25 millimeter. Question number 81. What is the average weight of a newborn? The correct answer is D. 3 kg. Question number 82. Which hormone causes breast tenderness in pregnancy? The correct answer is C. Estrogen. Question number 83. What is the best time to check fundal height? The correct answer is B. Second trimester. Question number 84. Which hormone is high in menopause? The correct answer is A. FSH. Question number 85. Which is the best sign of fetal distress? The correct answer is A. Meconium stained liquor. Question number 86. Which instrument is used to examine the cervix? The correct answer is B. Speculum. Question number 87. Which is a permanent method of contraception for males? The correct answer is C. Vasectomy. Question number 88. Which infection is tested in all pregnant women? The correct answer is C. Syphilis. Question number 89. What is the normal weight of placenta? The correct answer is D. 500 gram. Question number 90. Which vaccine is given in pregnancy? The correct answer is B. Tetanus toxoid. Question number 91. Which hormone is used to induce abortion? The correct answer is C. Mifepristone. Question number 92. Which hormone is high in polycystic ovarian syndrome? The correct answer is C. Androgen. Question number 93. What is the minimum cervical dilation for normal delivery? The correct answer is D. 10 centimeter. Question number 94. Which drug prevents postpartum hemorrhage? The correct answer is C. Oxytocin. Question number 95. What is the term for difficult labor? The correct answer is B. Dystocia. Question number 96. Which is the safest method of abortion in the first trimester? The correct answer is C. MTP fails. Question number 97. What is the normal duration of involution of the uterus postpartum? The correct answer is C. 6 weeks. Question number 98. Which is the common site for ectopic pregnancy rupture? The correct answer is A. Isthmus. Question number 99. Which part forms the maternal site of placenta? The correct answer is C. Decidua basilis. Question number last 100. What is the term for no pregnancy despite regular unprotected sex for 1 year? The correct answer is B. Primary infertility.